Now notice that all of our C major exercises are in 3/4 time. This is a new time signature. And it's pretty easy. All that means is that you're going to have 3 beats per measure, so 3 foot taps or 3 metronome clicks per measure. So you'd be counting to 3 in each measure, and a quarter note still receives 1 beat each. Now 3/4 time is tricky because of something called strong and weak beats. Strong and weak beats. Now strong and weak beats are very, very easy. In fact, you're already doing them without knowing it. Remember that a beat is a foot tap, and on some beats of the measure, you're going to naturally emphasize the notes, and those are called strong beats. And on some beats of the measure, you're going to naturally de-emphasize the notes or sort of play them quieter, and those are called weak beats. And this is something that happens naturally. Now, usually we are in 4/4 time or common time, and in common time, if you count 4 beats of 4/4 time, count with me, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how we're a little louder on beat 1 and 3, and we're a little softer on beat 2 and 4. That's because in 4/4 time, common time, beat 1 and 3 are the strong beats, beat 2 and 4 are the weak beats. You didn't have to practice it, I didn't have to tell you how to do it. It just sort of comes out that way just because of all the music you've heard in your life. Now when we're in 3/4 time, the strong beats happen naturally also. But they're going to be in different places because we have 3 beats instead of 4 beats. So if you count with me, 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So notice that in 3/4 time, we're a little louder on beat 1, and then we're quieter on beat 2 and 3. In 3/4 time, beat 1 is the strong beat, beat 2 and 3 are the weak beats. And once again, it happened naturally. You didn't have to practice it, it just sort of came out that way. So if it happens naturally, why are we even talking about it? Well, the problem is when you're in 4/4 time, if you're counting to 4, the strong and weak beats will come out naturally. Strong beats will be 1 and 3, weak beats will be 2 and 4. If you're in 3/4 time and you're counting to 3, the strong beats will be beat 1 and the weak beat will be beat 2 and 3. But if you're not counting at all, then you will naturally put the strong and weak beats where you're most used to. And what you're most used to is common time. So if we're in 3/4 time and you're not counting your beats, then you'll automatically emphasize the strong and weak beats in 4/4 time, which is going to cause you to miss the rhythm because they won't fit, because they don't line up. So the key on these exercises for C major is to make sure that you are counting to 3 in your head, counting 3 foot taps or 3 metronome clicks in every measure, so that the strong and weak beats don't throw off your rhythm.